brand new nylons. I'm tuned to an open D. I'm quite sure I'll have to retune a couple times before this video's over, but yeah, brand new nylon strings. Brand new strings in general. Doesn't matter what kind of guitar you put them on. They're brand new strings, man. Personally, I don't have problems with my hands becoming greasy or slimy or anything, which a lot of people do, which of course is going to take, you know, an extreme toll on your strings and your guitar too if you hit it. Thankful, you know, for the fact that I don't have, you know, sweaty palms, so to speak. But yeah, brand new strings, man. Brand new nylons. Check the tuning here. Ooh, very good, very good. Very good. Okay, this one. This is my third. My G string. I'm using a clip-on tuner, you know, one of these smart tuners. But here's what most people don't know, and the ones that do, I don't know why they don't tell other people. Maybe it's the whole G string philosophy. But right now I got my G string. It's tuned to an F because I'm in D minor. But regardless of what you tune it to, you need to tune it down slightly. If I tune this F up, that's slightly sharp, so I need to take it down a little bit. should always be tuned down just a hair. Just a little bit, not much. If your guitar is properly intonated. I put these strings on. Did I mention this? I think two and a half hours ago, maybe 3. Of course, if I set this guitar down and pick it up again in 20 minutes or a half hour, it's going to be completely out of tune, which it will be, probably within a couple minutes. I did a really good job. Said earlier, you need to just slightly tune that down. Just tune it by ear. All your other ones work on your electronic tuners, just not your G string. I gotta sneeze.